Let me show you how to transform a photo of someone into a portrait painted on a brick wall. The first step is right-click the background layer and choose the duplicate layer. Click New, and type in Displacement. Go to Filter, Blur, and choose the Gaussian blur. Increase the radius to 5 pixels. Go to Image, Adjustments, and choose the Desaturate. To adjust its contrast, open your Levels window by pressing Ctrl-L. Make the input white slider 200 and the input black slider 40. We'll save it by going to File and Save. Save it your folder as a Photoshop PSD file. And click Save. Let's close the displacement document since we already save it to our folder. Go to File and choose the Open. Then open a photo of someone that you would like to make into a portrait. Go to Select and choose the subject. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Select the Move tool. Then drag the model and drop it into the new background. Right-click on the model layer and choose the Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl-T to select the Free Transform tool. Click and drag handles to resize and position the model. Hit Enter or Return when you're finished. Click the FX icon and choose the stroke. Click the stroke color box and choose the black color. Change the size to 18 pixels. Position, outside. Blend mode, normal. And the opacity, 100%. When you're done, click OK. Go to Filter and choose the Filter Gallery. Open the Artistic folder and choose the fresco. I'll make the brush size 1. The brush detail 10. And the texture 1. Click the Add Layer Mask icon. Select the Eraser tool. Click the foreground color and choose the white. And make sure the mask, not the layer, is selected. Then brush over the spots. Right-click and convert the layer into a smart object again. And change the blend mode to Overlay. Go to Filter, Distort and choose the Displace. Make the horizontal scale 5, vertical scale 5, strike to fit, and repeat each pixels. Then click OK. Select the displacement PSD file and click Open. And reduce the opacity to 75%. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. And change the blend mode to Soft Light. Press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E to copy merge all layers. Press Ctrl-T to select the Free Transform tool, right-click and choose the perspective. Go to the bottom left corner and drag it down. If you want your image to angle the other way, undo the last step and drag down right corner. Hit Enter or Return when you're finished. Create a new layer. Select the Gradient tool. Click to edit the gradient. Open the Basics preset folder and choose the black and white. Double-click lower left color stop slider. In the color picker, choose medium gray color. Then click OK on both windows. Make sure the linear gradient box is chosen. Go to the side of your document where the wall recedes and press and hold Shift as you drag a line to the middle. Then, release your cursor. Change the blend mode to Linear Burn. And reduce the opacity to 50%. And this is the result.